Part 5. It's October 17th, Sunday, 2021. Under the Wing 73 in progress. The Sea Monsters and Kurt Huber, who was a German philosophy and musicology professor at the University of Munich, executed by the Third Reich government in 1943. And I added a little more gestural ink drawing around on the face, give it more definition. And right now we have a young bird here practicing. Isn't flying yet, but is working on it, doing daily flapping. Can we see that again? Okay, it's okay. Thank you. I appreciate the compliment. Thank you. All right, I'm working on the eye. Oops. Working on the eye of the first sea monster here. Old-fashioned drawing. Not doing a computer illustration. All right. To be continued. Get some more light over here. Okay.